Hey everybody, I'm so excited today to open up this Bosch router table model RA1181. This thing has gotten some great reviews and I'm looking forward to it helping me really expand some of the things I can do in my wood shop. So let's open this thing up. Hey, welcome to Homestyle Woodcraft. My name is James. Let's go have some fun.
Let's see what's inside this box. Well, I seem to have opened it upside down. Made kind of a mess. So here's all the accessories. All right, there's a lot here. All right, so we'll start with this. We got dust collection, feather boards, I think this is a just protection guide. So we got the power switch and power. Insert plates, a bunch of hardware, knobs, bolts, nuts, stuff like that. Oh, and this is the safety protection that mounts to the fence. You got the MDF face plates. Oh, and here's the adjustments on the outfeet side for jointing. Kind of clever idea. All right, and over here, wow, this, oh my gosh, this is awesome. This is very sturdy. I don't know if you can see how thick it is, but it has some heft to it. This is better than I thought it was going to be. Here, and we got the front pieces. And I think this goes on this one of the side legs. Here's the mounting plate for the router, and you can see all the different configurations for different brands of routers. With the instruction manual. Okay, looks good. And we've got a leg or a side. It's plastic. So we'll go on one of these like that, I think. Something like that. Here's another one of the legs. Whoop. And then we got this one. This is the work surface. Feels good and solid. All right, so I'm going to get going putting this thing together. Well, I'm back. It took me just over 3 hours to put this thing together. And while I put it together, I was taking notes and I thought I'd share a few of them with you. So first of all, pros. Wow, bigger. I knew the dimensions when I ordered it, but it just seems bigger than I thought it was going to be, and which I love. It looks great. It's very solid. Even the plastic parts are solid. It went together really well. All the holes lined up. I didn't have to, fuss with that at all. There's a ton of parts. The tabletop is flat. I I read some comments from some people in reviews that their tabletop was warped. Mine's flat. So that was all good. I'm very impressed. Cons, the insert of mine is a tiny bit warped, maybe like a 1/64th of an inch. Just a little bit, and it's in parallel with the length. So in terms of running things through, it's going to be okay. I'll just have to see if it causes any other kinds of problems. It's really tiny, but I think it's there. And also you can see, I don't know if, let's see if you can move. There's black paint on the top, you know, in these grooves, and some of that's chipping. It's a cosmetic thing, but I wish it wasn't. All right, so those are the pros and cons. Like I said, overall, I'm very impressed. Haven't tried it yet. Couple of tips I'd like to share with you. The biggest pain in the rear end about putting this together is leveling the insert. I would recommend you use a power drill with a hex bit to do a lot of the main work, and then do the finesse work with the included hex key. And that will save you a lot of time. If you do the whole thing with the hex key, it's going to take you a long time. Just as a rough estimate, there are 8 screws you have to level with. And just as a rough estimate, I measured mine when I was done, and they were 3/16 above the surface where they're screwed into, or right around there. So that might be a good starting point for you. And then you'll have to do some real fine tuning, a lot of fine tuning there. Here is a close-up of the insert. I'm going to take it off and show you the leveling screws. There's 8 of them around the perimeter here, around here. And that's what you have to use to level the insert. And then I'd set it up on a work surface that you can walk around, so you don't have to constantly adjust the table as you're putting together. Anyway, so far, I'm really impressed. Let's go give it a try. And here we go for a little demo. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I learned a lot in the process. If you did enjoy the video, please subscribe, add comments, and hit that like button. Thanks, and come back again.